Are you wondering how to check your contact count in GetResponse? It's actually simpler than you think, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find that number and why it's important for your marketing strategy. First off, once you're logged into your GetResponse account, you'll want to head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your account's activity. But to get to your contact count, the next thing you'll do is go to the Contacts section in the menu on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the list of all your contacts. Now, right at the top of the page, you'll notice a summary of your contacts. It'll tell you how many total contacts you have. But here's a little secret: GetResponse also allows you to filter your contacts based on various segments. That means you can get a more detailed view of specific types of contacts, like the ones who've engaged with your recent campaigns. This helps you track how active your list really is. Next, you can also check your contact count for specific email lists within your account. GetResponse allows you to manage multiple lists, so if you want to see how each one is growing, you just need to click into the specific list you're interested in. That's when you'll see the count for that particular list, along with other useful insights. The fourth thing you should know is that GetResponse also offers integrations with other tools that can sync your contacts across platforms. So, if you're using something like Shopify or WordPress, you may see contacts added from those sources directly into GetResponse. If you want to see this total, you'll need to go into your integration settings and find the sync history. Finally, GetResponse is great for sending out automated campaigns, and it's important to keep track of your contact count because it can affect your pricing. If your list grows over time, it could put you into a new pricing tier, so keeping track of your contacts can help you manage costs effectively. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While GetResponse does offer an easy way to check your contact count, there are other platforms out there that may give you more flexibility, better segmentation, or enhanced reporting. One such competitor is ActiveCampaign, which has more robust CRM tools and deeper insights into your contact behavior. If you're looking to optimize your contact management, this could be a great option. But don't worry, I'm not leaving you hanging. If you're thinking about switching, there's a tool I recommend for those looking to get a really powerful contact management system. And here's the kicker: if you follow the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with this alternative, along with some amazing benefits you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're sticking with GetResponse or trying something new, I've made sure to include the best options for your needs. So be sure to check out the link below to claim your exclusive trial and unlock extra features that will make managing your contacts a breeze. Thanks for watching.